morning, students. Let's start our revision class. In yesterday's class we were revising from higher to lower units, and today we will revise from lower to higher units. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. It is given express in centimeters. Now this we are revising from lower to higher units. Okay, means we are converting from lower to higher units. The first question is given 64 millimeter. Now millimeter is the lower unit and it is being changed in centimeter, means the higher unit. So you will write the opposite, that is, since 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, therefore 64 millimeter is equals to 64 divided by 10, that is 6 centimeter and 4 millimeter. This will be the answer, because you cannot divide it whole. The remainder will be there, so whatever the remainder, that will be millimeter, and whatever the question, that will be the centimeter part. Okay, one more we will do. Suppose I am writing 40 millimeter. The same equation, that since 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, therefore 14 millimeter is equals to 14 divided by 10, or rather you can write like this also, 14 divided by 10. Again 1 will be the quotient and remainder will be 4. So 1 is centimeter and 4 is millimeter. So this is the answer for second one. Now come to question number 2. Express in meters. This is the question. You have to express in meter. 3560 centimeter is given. You have to convert in meter. So what you will write? Since 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, therefore 3560 centimeter is equals to 3560 divided by 100 meter. Again there will be the remainder and quotient. So 35 will be the meter and the remainder part will be the centimeter part. Okay, so this is the answer for number A. When you will divide in rough, you will get this type of answer. Now let's do number B. Now come to question number B. It is 310 centimeter. You have to convert in meter. Same thing you will write, that since 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, therefore 310 centimeter is equals to 310 divided by 100 meter. So when you will divide, you will get 3 meter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for number B. Now let's write question number 3. Express in kilometer. Now you have to change into kilometer. First one is 7005 meter. Now this you have to change in kilometer. Meter is given to kilometer. What you will write? Since 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, therefore 7005 meter is equals to 7005 divided by 1000. This will be 7 kilometer and 5 meter. This division, if you are not able to do, you will do in the rough and then write the answer. Okay. Now one more we will do for this. 9080 meter. Okay. So what you will write? Since 1000 9000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. Therefore 9080 meter is equals to 9080 divided by 1000. Again the same thing, when you will divide, 9 will be in the quotient part and the remainder will be 80. So 9 kilometer and 80 meter is the answer. Okay, so this type of conversion you will solve like this. Now we will start addition and subtraction. Okay, now addition. Meter, centimeter. You will arrange the addition in column and then you will add. Okay, I am writing directly, but you will first arrange in column and then add. It is given 18 meter 63 centimeter and 6 meter 67 centimeter. So you have to add. This is meter and this is centimeter. When you will add, this will be 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 12, 13, carry 1, 6, 7, 7 2s are 14, 15, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. That is 25 meter and 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is addition. One more addition we will do. It is given meter, centimeter, 16, 25, 8 meter, 35 centimeter and 29 meter and 45 centimeter. You have to add this. This is meter, this is centimeter. So 5 3s are 50, carry 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, again carry 1, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, carry 1 and 4. That is 54. So 54 meter and 5 centimeters. So this is the answer for number B. Let's do some subtraction. Now subtract also you will arrange, then you will subtract. It is given kilometer and meter. 34 kilometer, 75 meter and 18 kilometer, 280 meter is given. You have to subtract. Here this side is missing, so what is not there you will put 1 0. Okay, now subtract. 5, then 8, 9, 7. This is kilometer. 5 and 1. That means 15 kilometer and 795 meter. This is the subtraction. One more subtraction you will do in meter and centimeter. Suppose it is given 28 meter and 37 centimeter, 16, subtract from 60 meter and 59 centimeter. Okay, now subtract it. This will be centimeter. 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7, 8 and this is 1. Okay, so the answer is 11 meter and 78 centimeter. Here, so this type of addition and subtraction you practice at home. Again we will meet tomorrow. So goodbye for today.